Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write invitation letter in English. In this video, we will write invitation letter for a friend inviting him or her to your birthday party. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Firstly, write your name. In the next line, write your address. Your address must include the city name, state name, and PIN code. Next, write the date on which you are writing this letter. In the next line, write "My dear" and then write your friend's name. Let's start with the body of the letter. I hope this letter finds you in good health and high spirits. As my birthday is just around the corner, I wanted to reach out to you with some exciting news. I am throwing a birthday bash and I would be absolutely thrilled if you could join me in celebrating this special day. In the next part, first you will write the date of the birthday party under the heading date. Next, Write the start time of the birthday party under the heading Time, and then write the address at which the birthday party will take place under the heading Venue. I have planned an evening filled with fun, laughter, delicious food, and great company. It would not be the same without you. So please mark your calendar and make sure to be there. Your presence will mean the world to me. I am really looking forward to celebrating with you and catching up. Here's to another year of friendship and happiness. Warmest regards, write your name.